Number one, consider the following set of ordered data. Dash data. Write down the mode, the range, the median. The mode is 27 because there are two 27, right? And others data only one, 31 only one, 32 only one, 33 only one, 37 only one. On 27, there are two. Okay, range. The range, we can determine range through 57, the greatest data, minus 57 minus 27, greatest minus the smallest. It equals 30. So the range equals 30. Median. Median or key Q second. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So median 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So median equal 33 plus 37 divided by 2 equal 70 divided by 2, 35. Find the interquartile range. So we need to determine first the Q1 and Q3. This is the first, the Q1 or the first quartile, and this is 5. This is the third quartile. Okay, so the interquartile range, or IQR, is Q3 minus Q1, 46 minus 31, and it is 1, 5, okay, 15. Next. Number 2. Points A and B lie on a circle with center O and radius r centimeters, where angle AOB 0.75 radians. This is shown on the following diagram. The area of sector OAB is 6 centimeters squared. Find the value of r, hence find the perimeter of sector OAB. Area of sector is 1/2 times r squared times theta. Theta is this angle. And it's going to be 1/2 times r squared, 0.75, according to the information that the area of sector is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters squared. So we can determine r squared equal 2 times 6, 12, over 0.75. So r we can determine through square root of 16, because 12 divided by 0.75 is 16, and it is 4 centimeters. So the radius is 4 centimeters. B, the perimeter. Perimeter means 1r plus 1r becomes 2r plus BA. BA is just now we are going to calculate. We already calculate r, and now we are going to determine the perimeter, r plus AB. So AB is arc length or AB equal r times theta, the formula. It is 4 times 0.75, and it is 3 centimeters. And then perimeter equal to R plus 3 centimeters. This 3 centimeters. So it will be 8 centimeters because R is 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters equal 11 centimeters. So our perimeter equal 11 centimeters. Number 3. So events A and B are such that PA 0.45, PB 0.65, and probability A union B equals 0.8. Find probability A intersection B and its probability A xn given B xn. Okay. Probability A union B equal probability A plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. We're going to find this one, probability A intersection B. So probability A intersection B equal probability A plus probability B minus probability A union B. Probability A is 0.45 plus 0.65 minus 0.8. And if you calculate, the result is 0.3. Part B. Probability Bxn equal probability 1 minus probability B. And it is 1 minus probability B is 1, 0.65. And it is 0.35. And for probability A action intersection B action is 1 minus probability A union B. And it is 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2. And the probability A action given B action equal probability A action intersection B action equal probability B action. It is 0.2 over 0.35. Multiplied by 10 becomes 20. Multiplied by 100 equals 20 over 35. Or simplify becomes 4 over 7. Number 4, prove that 2n plus 5 squared minus 2n minus 5 squared is multiple of 10. I will expand. This expression becomes 4n squared plus 2 times 5 times 2 is 20n plus 25 minus 4n squared minus 20n plus 25. So equals 0. 20n plus 20n, 40n. 40n is divisible by 10. So we can state that 2n plus 5 squared minus 2n minus 5 squared is indeed multiple of 10 for all n. Number 5. The following diagram shows triangle ABC, where AB 3 centimeters, BC 10 centimeters, AC 8 centimeters, and angle ABC 2 theta. This is diagram. Find the exact value of cosine theta, giving you answer in the form square root P over Q. P and Q element of integer positive. Okay. Cosine 2 theta equals 3 squared plus 10 squared minus 8 squared. Based on this information, divided by 2 times 3 times 10. It's equal 45 over 60, 3/4. Next, cosine 2 theta, based on trigonometrical identity, cosine 2 theta equal 2 cosine squared theta minus 1, or 2 cosine squared theta equal cosine 2 theta plus 1. So 2 cosine squared theta equal cosine 2 theta is 1, 3/4 plus 1. So 2 cosine squared theta equals 7/4, like this. I would like to move here. Cosine squared theta equals 7/4 divided by 2 equals 7 over 8, like this, because 4 times 2. So cosine theta equals square root 7 over 8. Or it is square root 7 over square root 4 times square root 2. 2 square root 2 times square root 2 over square root 2 equal square root 14 over 2 over 4. Yeah, because 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Based on this information, it means we can state that P equal 14 and Q equal 4. Okay. Number 6, for a particular arithmetic sequence, U10 equal 14 and S25 equal to 100, find the value of K such that UK equals 0. U10 equal A plus 9D, 14. This is the first equation. And S25 plus 25 half times 2A plus 24D 200. And it becomes 25 times 2A plus 24D, 2 times 200, 400. We can factorize, becomes 50 times A plus 12D, 400, divided by 50, left-hand side and right-hand side, by 50 equal 8. This is the second equation from the first equation and second equation. A plus 9D equal 14. A plus 12D equal 8. Okay. We are going to eliminate A minus 3D equals 6. So D equal minus 2. I'm going to continue here. Substitute d equal minus 2 into a plus 9d equal 14. So a 9 times minus 2 minus 18 equal 14. A equal 14 plus 18, 32. So D equal minus 12 and A equal 32. According to the information, the statement that UK equals 0, UK equal A plus K minus 1 times D. 32 K minus 1 times minus 2 equals 0. 32 minus 2k plus 2 equals 0. 32 plus 2 equals 34. Minus 2k equals 0. So 2k equals 34. And k equals 34 divided by 2 equals 17. This is k. Number 7. The following diagram shows part of the graphs of two functions f and g. The graph of f is linear, has an x-intercept at 6, 0 and a y-intercept at 0, 12. The graph of g has x-intercepts at minus 2, 0 and 6, 0 and a y-intercept at 0, 12. This is the diagram. Write down the equation for f in the form of fx equal mx plus c. Okay. F, the function f to 6, 0 and 0, 12 according to the information. So we can state that intercept on y-axis at 0, 12. It is if intercept on y-axis, it means x equal 0. If x equals 0, so c equal 12. The second, intercept on x-axis is at 6, 0. Intercept point on x-axis, it means y equals 0 and x equal 6. If y equals 0, it means fx equals 0. If fx equal mx plus c according to this information, so we can substitute this information into this equation, into this function, fx equals 0, m times 6 plus 12. So 6m equal minus 12, m equal minus 12 over 6, it is minus 2. So fx equal minus 2x plus 12. So c equal 12. So this function becomes minus 2x plus 12. That is fx. Next question. The function g is given by gx equal minus x squared plus bx plus 12, where b is a real constant. Find the value of b. Part B. Function g has intercept at minus 2, 0. It means g minus 2 equals 0. If g minus 2 equals 0, we can substitute minus 2 into g function for x equal minus 2. Then substitute into gx. So gx is minus x squared plus bx plus 12. So g minus 2, if x equal minus 2, is going to be minus 2 squared plus b times minus 2 plus 12 equals 0, according to this information. So it's going to be 4 minus 2b plus 12 equals 0, minus 2b plus 8 equals 0. So minus 2b equal minus 8, and we can state that b equal 4. So it means gx equal minus x squared, b is 4 plus 4x plus 12. This is gx, and fx just now minus 2x plus 12, fx and gx, two function already. Show that the area of the region enclosed by the graph of f and the graph of g can be represented by the definite integral 0 to 6 of minus x squared plus 6x dx. Also this area, we are going to determine this area on x-axis from 0, the interval from 0 to 6. So it's integral, if you calculate the area integral 0 to 6, because 0 to 6, of gx minus fx dx. So this right line is fx, and this parabolic is gx. So gx minus fx. If gx minus fx means now this is gx and this is fx, integral 0 to 6 minus x squared plus 4x plus 12 minus 2x plus 12 dx. Integral 0 to 6 minus x squared fx plus 2x plus 6x is equal to 0 dx. So this is the integral. Hence, find the area of the region enclosed by the graph of f and the graph of g. We are going to calculate the graph, the area. So integral 0 to 6 of minus x squared plus 6x dx We need to find the integral first. Minus 1/3 x cubed plus 3x squared. After that, substitute 6 and 0 into this expression. So it becomes minus 1/3 6 cubed plus 3 times 6 squared minus 0. Minus 1/3 times 6 times 6 cubed is 216 plus this is 108. And if you calculate, this is minus 72 plus 108, and the result is 36. So the area is 36. Next question. Point P is on the graph of G. The tangent to the graph of G at P is parallel to the graph of F. Find the coordinates of P. If parallel, it means they have the same gradient. Fx equal minus 2x plus 12. So it means the gradient is minus 2, gradient of fx. Gx minus x squared plus 4x plus 12. Plus 12. Gx has tangent at point P. Okay. With gradient, same with this one because parallel. So the gradient is minus 2. It must minus 2 because parallel. If parallel, the first gradient same with the second gradient. Both gradient are same. So next we are going to find if gradient, if tangent, it means the derivative of gx. We can find tangent through derivative. Minus 2x plus 4. And according to this information, that it is minus 2. Okay. It means minus 2x equal minus 2 minus 4. So x equal minus 6, but by minus 2 equal 3. Now substitute x equal 3 into gx equal minus x squared plus 4x plus 12. G3 equal minus 3 squared plus 4 plus 12. And if you calculate, the result is 15. So this is y, this is x. So the coordinate point P, according to this question, find coordinate point P, x comma y. This is x, this is y. So coordinate point P is 3, 15. Number 8, the function f is defined as x equal log 2x, where x greater than 0. Find the value of f2 and find the value of 1 over 8. f2, if fx equal log 2x, it means log 216. It is log 2 to the power 4, or 4 log 2 of 2. It is 4 because 4 times 1 equals 4. Next, f1 over 8 or 1/8 becomes log 2 8 times 1 over 8 log 2 1 it is 0 because log 1 equals 0. Find an expression for inverse fx. Fx or y is v. Y equal log 2 8x. So it means 2 to the power y equal 8x, or x equal 2 to the power y over 8, or x equal 2 to the power y times 2 to the power minus 3, because this is 2 actually like this, okay? And it becomes and x equal 2 to the power y minus 3. So it means the inverse of x equal 2 power x minus 3. Next question. Hence or otherwise find f inverse if x equals 0. So substitute 0 into this function. 0 to the power 0 minus 3. 2 power minus 3, 1, 8. D. The graph of y equals f for x squared can be obtained by translating and stretching the graph of y equal log 2x. Describe. There's two transformations specifying the order in which they are to be applied. Y equal log 2 8x. So it means fx equal log 2 8x, like that. If x equal 4x squared, like this, with the domain 4x squared becomes log 2 8 times 4x squared, like this. Or we can state like this: log 2 8 plus log, because multiplication becomes addition. Log 2 4 plus log 2x squared, or log 2 cube plus log 2 squared plus log 2x squared. 2 log 2 log 2 plus 2 log 2x. This is 1, this is 1. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2 log 2x. Look, this is 2 and this is 5. Okay. So this is a scale factor stretch of stretch, the transformation, and this is the vertically translation. So I would like to writing that the graph the graph of G must be vertically stretched or dilated by a scale factor of 2 and then translated vertically translated or shifted 5 units upwards. So there are two transformations. Number 9, consider a cylinder of radius 4r and height h. A smaller cylinder of radius r is removed from the center to form a hollow cylinder. So there are two cylinders, cylinder with radius 4r and a cylinder for radius r. This is shown in the following diagram. We can see in this diagram. All lengths are measured in centimeters. The total surface area of the hollow cylinder in centimeters squared is given by S. The volume of the hollow cylinder in centimeters cubed is given by V. Show that S equal 30 pi r squared plus 10 pi r h. Right, I will start with outer surface area. Outer surface area of larger cylinder. I'm going to write in the symbol A, area outer. The outer equal to pi times radius for r times h. It becomes 8 pi rh. The first, the second, about inner surface area of smaller cylinder. A inner is equal to pi radius r h. And the third is top and bottom surface. Top and bottom surface area. A top, bottom. 2, top and bottom, it means 2 because they are equal each other. 16 pi r squared minus 1 pi r squared. It is 2 times 15 pi r squared equals 30 pi r squared. And then the total surface area wait. The total surface area uh, or S equal area outer plus inner surface area or smaller cylinder or A inner plus top and bottom equal A pi RH 2 pi RH 30 pi R squared 10 pi RH 30 pi R squared. That is the total surface area. The total surface area of the hollow cylinder is 240 pi centimeter square. Show that volume equal 360 pi r minus 45 pi r cube. Part B. Right. If total surface area is 240 pi centimeter square, it means this is equal to 240. It means 30 pi r squared plus 10 pi r h equal to 240 pi, according to this information, and divided by pi, it's going to be 30 r squared 10 rh equal 240. And we're going to find h. So it means 10 rh equal 240 minus 30 r squared. And then h equal 240 minus 30 r squared over 10 r. So this is 24 r power minus 1 minus 3 r. Okay, after that, we continue to find the next volume cylinder. Okay, I'm going to find the volume of cylinder. Okay. Volume cylinder is volume of the larger cylinder or volume outer. Volume outer equal pi 4 r the radius times h. This is 16 because of 4 squared pi r squared h. And then volume of smaller cylinder, volume inner. Inner, it means smaller cylinder, pi r squared h. So volume cylinder equal volume outer minus volume inner equal this one 16 pi r squared h minus 1 pi r squared h equal 15 pi r squared h. that one. Now substitute this value, substitute h equal 24 r power minus 1 minus 3r into this one, into volume cylinder, into volume, this one volume cylinder. So volume becomes volume cylinder equal 15 pi r squared times 24 r power minus 1 minus 3r. And if you calculate, the result is 360 pi r, because 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 45. 45 pi r cubed, that one. This is the volume cylinder. This one. Find an expression for derivative of phi, dphi dr. C dphi dr. Derivative of this functions, volume cylinder function, 360 pi, I mean, minus 3 times 45, 135 pi r squared. And the next, the hollow cylinder has its maximum volume when r equal p square root 2/3, where p element of integer plus integer, positive integer. Find the value of p. We are going to find the value of p. D. Volume maximum when dpdr equal 0. So 360 pi minus 135 pi r squared equals 0. 360 pi minus 135 pi, according to the information that r equal p square root 2/3. So substitute r into this equation, becomes p square root 3 square root 2/3 squared equals 0. And next, divide it by pi. 360 minus 135 p squared, and then it is 2/3 equals 0. Okay, so 360 minus 135 times 2 divided by 3, 270 divided by 3 equals 90. P squared equals 0. So 90p squared equals 360. P squared equals 360 over 90, or P squared equals 4. P equals square root 4, and it is 2. So P equals 2. Okay. And so that, yeah, P equal 2. Hence, find this maximum volume. Find maximum volume, okay, giving your answer in the form Q pi square root 2/3 maximum volume. Right. If R equal P square root 2/3, it means this is R equal 2 square root 2/3. Volume equal 360 by R minus 45 by R cubed, or 360 by substitute this value R 2 times the root 2/3, 45 by 2 square root 2/3 cube. Okay, so it becomes 360 times 2, 720 pi square root 2/3. 45 times, this is 2 cube is 8. So 45 times 8, 360 pi. 360 pi square root 2/3 cube. 720 pi, we are going to factorize, minus 360 pi. This is power 3, it means square root 2/3 times square root 2/3 square. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, equals 3. So after that, wait, I'm gonna writing square root 2 like this, minus, and this is 2/3. So 2/3 times 360 pi square root 2/3, like this. Comes 720 pi 2/3 minus 360 times 2, 720 divided by 3, 200, 240 pi square root 2/3. Okay. Next, 720 minus 240, that is 480 pi square root 2/3. So if we look the question, this is phi. If you look the question, let's evaluate the question. In the form q pi square root 2/3, meaning q equal 480. That's right.